So I'm gonna give you a tour of my room, which is right down this hallway. Okay. So we're entering, and you can see to the right of the door is my bed. It's not a bunk bed, it's a lofted bed. So there is a desk on the bottom and the bed is on top. I'm gonna take you over here. You get a chair and a desk. Everyone in the apartment has the same thing. I just have my laptop here, my whiteboard if I want to make any notes to myself or reminders. I have my econ book right here, and this is something I'm pretty proud of. I got these fake plants and I just put some yarn on it and stuck it to the ceiling of my loft just to make, the atmosphere more nice and aesthetic. I have my lamp there. Just some decorations with pictures and a magnetic board with a marble design for pictures too. I'll take you on the opposite side is my roommate's bed, just one of my roommate's beds. She has her closet and desk too, and her bed right here. Oh, do I want to show you the closet? I don't know, my bed's pretty messy. I'll show you half. So here it is. It's a 2-door one. We have 3 shelves and then a bottom drawer right here. That's where I keep my socks. And on the opposite side, it's more where you could hang your jackets and everything. I honestly think I have too many clothes. It doesn't really all fit in there. Okay, so of course, to get to the top bunk, you have to go up some ladders. Oh, to be honest, I really do not like lofted bed styles or bunk beds because it makes going down in the morning just so much harder. You want to just swing your legs over the bed and slide out of bed easily, but not with this. You can't. This is really cool. I like this a lot. It is a shelf that I screwed in. I bought it separately and I use it to put my tissues because I need to blow my nose often at night. And my cell phone goes here, lip balm, anything I need so I don't have to constantly go down if I'm already in bed. Whew. And these are my initials that I put on the wall. It's made out of cardboard and I just tacked it on there. Whew. And here is my bed. I sleep right here, but this is literally all fake. For you all seeing this, I never make my bed, and I didn't even make my bed for this one. I just stuffed everything behind that pillow because it makes it so hard to make your bed when you're living on the top bunk, and my roommates did not make their beds either. None of us ever do, so I gotta do what you gotta do. Going down the ladder so I can show you the rest of the room. I do have this hook thing right here so I can hang my towels, and I have a super long charger up here as well. And on the opposite side is my 3rd roommate's bed. There it is, her desk and everything. Okay, the thing is about this room, there's no outlets anywhere. The only outlet is all the way there by the window. So if you're on this side, you don't get anything, and I don't understand the planning, but that's why we have these electrical plugs running through our room because she's just trying to connect to an outlet. Okay. Now over here, I made this little sitting corner. I bought this carpet, really nice, white and furry. And I got this little marquee box. Yeah, it lights up. You can't really see it when it's lit up, but there. I also have a marble tapestry to make a design in the room, just to add my own spice to it, I guess. On to dorm room essentials. So one thing that I think is quite essential is this little contraption that I have. You already saw it. I hang my towels here, and my roommate, we thought similarly, she also bought a similar towel hanger because there's only one towel rack in the bathroom, so you know it's not enough for everyone. You need something for yourself. And over here, like I said, that shelf is so like convenient. I could put my phone there and everything. It's like my favorite. And I just like that it's made of wood. It's like similar to what the bed looks like. For my roommate, she has her own version, but it's just like a pouch that she velcroed on the loft, and she put her little snacks in there. So you know, put your snacks in there, your phone, anything you need. Oh yeah, so each and every one of us has our own personal lamp because the lighting here is not very good. Like the lighting is only on that side of the room, and our natural lighting, we're on like the opposite side of where the sun faces, so we don't get much of that either. My roommate here has her lamp, and my other roommate's lamp right there. So yeah, very important to bring your own lamp. Another thing are these outlet cords. All of us have them because, you know, you never know when you need it. If you never know if your dorm is only gonna have one set of outlets. So that's something you need to make sure you bring. And for most incoming freshmen, everyone lives in a bunk bed type of room. So if you can, you know, get yourself a long charger. I think this was like 5 feet long, so I could charge while I'm up in my bed. So the process for choosing roommates is pretty easy, but not guaranteed. Normally we would fill out a preference form, and that would ask us what time do we normally go to sleep, wake up, if we're more on the loud side or like to stay in and study a lot. HDH, or housing, dining, hospitality services, try to match people with the same preferences and put them in a room. But I said it's not guaranteed because, you know, if you put on your form that you like to stay in and have a quiet space, you might be matched with someone who is more loud and like goes out often. Once you are a second year and above, you're no longer living in dorms and you're living in on-campus apartments. So there's a process called pulling people into your apartment, and the way it works is that, for example, my registration time to get an apartment is 10 a.m. and I want to pull in 5 friends to live with me in that apartment. Then I would like request all their names, and then we would officially have the apartment together. But it's like all up to me since I have the earliest time. So if only you are planning to live in the apartment, make friends with someone who has early registration times.